This time we have a Matchbox, and not just any Matchbox, guys. This is the MXB Jungle Edition Matchbox. What's up, folks? It's your boy DCS back again in the weekend. So this is talking about the car today in the Matchbox, guys. Yes, this is supposed to be a very good sports car from the 80s, but it turned into a rally car. This is the 1985 Porsche 911 rally car, guys. It has such a aggressive look now that I look at it because of the rally, whatever the stuff, the grills, the wheels, the oversized wheels, and that bottom plate. Oh yeah, there's a lot of stuff too, which we'll discuss after unboxing. So first, let's unbox this car. Actually, the box looks pretty much similar to the Hot Wheels. Of course, both are from Mattel. So yeah, why don't we just go for the unboxing right away, right now. Alright, so here comes the Porsche, guys, and it's time to look at it. Okay, so the first look, yes, it has some dull painting on it. Yes, it's not gloss. It's a very dull paint, guys. It's like a matte finish, I guess, but it really doesn't look all that well. Well, yeah, the quality, I can say it's average. Well, the details are pretty damn low at the front and at the rear. You don't even have the tail lamps right there, only the turn signals. But at the sides, it's pretty good, I guess. You have Matchbox logo, the number 58, Rally 2020. Okay, that's pretty good. But at the top, where you can see the spare tire and the fuel can, nah, that really doesn't look all that well. Well, yeah, this is how it looks at the bottom. I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, it's wearing 1985 Porsche 911 rally car. So, yeah, it really lacks a lot of details, guys. I wish they would have focused on the headlamps and the tail lamps more. Well, that's it, guys. Let's just move on for the info now. On to the info, guys, of the 1985 Porsche 911 rally car. Okay, starting off with the engine. The engine is a flat 6-cylinder air-cooled engine, guys, and it's not a boxer, it's a flat 6-cylinder. Well, talking about the top speed of this car is 235 kilometers per hour. That's 146 miles per hour. It's only of the 1985 Porsche 911. It's not the rally car's top speed. Well, going for the horsepower is 200 horsepower. Not bad, if you ask me. Well, that's the end of the info, guys. Comment what you thought about this car below. I'll check it out and see you all next week. Stay tuned for my other videos. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.